Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the thermostat in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan. It's crucial that your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Next, locate the thermostat housing, usually found near the upper radiator hose connection on the engine block. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's drain the coolant. Position a suitable drain pan beneath your radiator to catch all the fluid. Carefully open the radiator drain cock, allowing the coolant to flow out completely. Once drained, you'll need to remove any hoses or other components that might be blocking your access to the thermostat housing. This step ensures a clear workspace. With access clear, carefully unbolt the thermostat housing. Remove the old thermostat and its gasket, making sure to clean the mating surfaces thoroughly. Now, install your new thermostat, ensuring the spring side faces the engine and use a fresh gasket. Tighten the housing bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 18 foot-pounds, to prevent leaks. Finally, close the radiator drain cock securely. Refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 blend of antifreeze and distilled water. Start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed any trapped air. Monitor the temperature gauge closely and check for any leaks around the new thermostat housing. Your Jeep is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.